Hello guys, how are you? My name is Sitendra Punya. I'm your anchor, I'm your host, I'm your teacher. Look guys, life life is too much struggle. I know there are so much struggle in life, and today's circumstances you can easily see that. You can easily see that the circumstances which we are seeing, like there are third world war is running, and also so much national problem, national issue. I really can't describe what kind of phase we are living, but we can avoid it. Look, if we ignore all the problems, then problem will decrease, then problem will increase. It's not the solution, guys. Solution, it will happen, then we will together and make this is problem in trash out. Okay, we have to remove that problem. Look, whenever we see some kind of error and some kind of mistake in our phone, what we gonna do? We just remove the app. Just like life, when we just see some kind of antivirus, some kind of a use problem, we have only one option, or we can together and just remove the problem in trash out. This is the only way that you can deal the situation. Otherwise it will be very tough. Look guys, so just be prepare your mind. Look guys, first of all, I'm telling you a very very serious situation. Being a totally isolated person at least 2 or 3 years in a life, it's very necessary. Look, this year I will be isolated myself. I'm telling you this thing. This year I'll be pure isolated and pure isolation. Look, this I'm not. This year will I hang with my friends, all my friends. But because I seriously needed that this year, I just want to find myself. I just want to find myself. So just why I just decided to being isolated this year. And I will make my body. I will improve my skill. I will grow my talent each and every day. I will make content better and better and every day. This year I decided, and still I'm doing it. And yes, I'm focusing this year just to this thing. Okay, so yes, we are just making sentence and we are growing up skills. So yes, here we are some sentence and there are some meaning. Look, now we will make a paragraph. Okay, open secret. Open secret. Yes, it's about open secret. It's about open secret is like you have a secret and now you are telling the world. So just think wisely, think very very wisely, and then you just decide what you should gonna do. Okay, look, I'm making sentence, and I just want that you just making sentence yourself. Don't always just watch content and just think just now you are able to speak English. No, you have to practice at least 15 and 20 minutes. I'm saying you have to practice at least 15 and 20 minutes daily basis. You have to practice. Okay, order of the day. Order of the day, it's about some famous thing. Order of the day, it's about some famous thing, that there are famous thing, famous talk. Now what you should gonna do? There is a very famous thing. Okay, order of the day. Look, it's about Zomato and Swiggy. Zomato and Swiggy. What is Zomato and Swiggy? Zomato and Swiggy is the process where you can order the food, and you can deliver the food, and you can fulfill all your wishes. Okay? Out of the woods. Yes, it's about now you are out of the woods. It's about now you don't want to trouble in your life. You really don't want to trouble in your life. This is the meaning out of the order. Okay? Look guys, problem will always come. This is a life pattern, this is a life goal. You have to accept this reality. As much as you live, you gonna always face the problem, but you don't have to. Look guys, life is a full of paradox, full of dimensional. I'm saying that life is full of paradox, full of dimensional, full of many of surprises, many of sightseeing, many of. You can't describe the life. You can't describe the life. So just find yourself. That's why I'm telling you. Why I'm telling you again and again this thing. Just find yourself, because life is full of paradox, full of dimensional. You will not realize what will happen in the next second. Okay, you won't realize what will happen in next second. So that's why I'm telling you, just being an isolated person at least 2-3 years in your life, and just find yourself. Just being alone, just touch with your friends, because at least and at the end of the day you have to make your life, you have to take your decision. You can help yourself. Okay, you are the only person who can help yourself. Okay, that's why I'm telling you. Out of the woods, pay one back in one own coin. Yes, it's about tit for tat. Look, always just use a simple word, a simple sentence. You don't have to do always like a very hard line, very hard word. Just always use a simple word so it can relate you. Tit for tat. Tit for tat, there are a lot of story you can relate it. Look guys, if you really want to speak a good English speaker, I'm suggesting a very, very good thing. I'm suggesting a very, very good thing. Just always one thing you should do, that always just make a story, make a sentence in a writing. Okay, English is like ABCD. When you first time just see the ABCD in your childhood, what you they see? There are some kind of words. Then you didn't know. No one knows. Even I know that one day I will speak English like fluently. No one knows. So that's why I'm telling you, just make a sentence. First see the spelling, see the meaning, and then you're gonna look guys, the perfection you want, the perfection you really want. I'm telling you a very good thing, the perfection. I'm telling you a very good thing, that perfection you are finding, you have to practice. This is the only way. This is the only choice you have. You have to perfect. If you really want to perfect, look, without perfection, I really don't think so there is a meaning of life. Okay? Without perfection, I really don't think so there is a meaning of life. So just find perfection in your life and just practice daily yourself. Okay? So please tell me in comment box and write your opinion, so I should have make our competition, because every day I ask you in comment box. Okay? And please also like, share and subscribe my channel so I can make more content for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.